I got a heal. Nope. I don't even know what I got hit by. Don't even know what I got hit by. They're freaking heli.